This is the Paktonvo 70 watt LED barn light. Just comes in a plain brown box. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual. Here of course is the light itself. Plastic cover over the actual light right there. There's a whole bunch of hardware here, and they also give you an arm. This is wall or arm mountable. Wall mount, you would use these lugs, if you will, right there, and you could bolt that in. They include nice screws with that and wall anchors while you're at it. You can use this bracket or this bracket depending on which way you're going to mount it. For example, wall mounting would go this way, and the other would be for the pole mount. The pole is in two pieces, as you see right there. They go together. Let me show you that. There's holes in one end of these, and they fit together, and then you would bolt them together like that, as you see with the holes there that go through, and that gives you an arm that would be mounted like this, which ends up looking like that, which then would go on the light there. So the arm is included, which is really nice because you don't have to buy that separately. And of course they give you all the hardware that you need. There's some wire nuts here and also an Allen key as well. That's for mounting to a pole or to that arm as such. Like I said, this is a 70 watt LED light. All aluminum construction, as you see right there. This is also dusk to dawn, so it will automatically turn on at dusk and turn off at dawn. It puts out 5000K daylight color, 10,500 lumens. It's of course IP65 waterproof for use outside, and it also has an adjustable angle on it. I'll get back to that in just a second. This must be hardwired 100 to 277 volts AC. So here's the adjustable angle. You just loosen these, and then this can slide like that to allow you to mount it. If I were to put it straight like that, the light would be like that, or pointing down more like that, as you see right there. So you can adjust that to any angle that you want, right like that. What I'm going to do is just wire this up temporarily right here, show you what that would look like, and then we'll go ahead and test it out just so you could see it, and then of course I'll show it to you at night. So for example, if you're mounting this to a pipe or a pole, you would use this bracket here. It's got like metal teeth in it that'll kind of bite into that and hold it in place for you right there. I have this all wired up. It's not light enough in this room to trigger the dusk to dawn sensor, so it will turn on. And there you go. Doesn't look like much on camera, I get that. I'm going to show you just pointing down. Oh, in fact, there it turned off because it sensed that there was enough light in here. And when I block it like that, then it turns on. So it takes a moment or so, which is good, because otherwise during a lightning storm or something, this light will blink on and off. So it's good that it has a delay like that. If I block it again and move away, it will shut off. So that's good. Let me shut the room lights out, and I'll show you just over to the right, just so you could see an idea of the kind of light it puts out. And again, we'll test it outside later. Yeah, that lights up pretty good, definitely have to say. And it is kind of a nice floodlight, because if I turn this, you can still see that it's nice and bright, but you see that line cutting off when I now have this about 90 degrees to that right there. So certainly will light up a pretty nicely large area. Let's go ahead and take this outside at night. And through the magic of waiting many, many, many hours so I could complete this video, it is now nighttime. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the light on. You might barely be able to tell that there is a tree. I have it mounted up in the tree, but that's going to be just perfect for our testing purposes, complete with some janky wiring that'll be fine for this test. Let me go get it electrified. Holy smokes. That's really, really good. In fact, we have a visitor that we couldn't see before. So that's pretty nice. Oh, in fact, there's two. Well, that was nice. Yeah, that's a nighttime sun, is what that is. We'll pan over this way. The light spreads pretty far. You can see your way around the entire backyard. We'll go this way. Over here. And yeah, completely able to walk around without worry of tripping over something or anything like that. Definitely an excellent job. And remember, like I said, it is dusk to dawn. So once again, this is the Paktonvo 70-watt LED barn light. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.